More than half of the world's economy relies on nature. Natural capital is an emerging asset class that actually values the natural world. Institutions around the world are beginning to understand why we need to invest in nature now. But the main question is, how? We use data and technology to identify high-quality projects across the globe. Think search engine for natural capital. Our tools deliver data-driven intelligence in minutes, meaning we can identify through our proprietary algorithms how degraded a tract of land is, how the land cover and vegetation has changed over time, and forecast the natural capital returns, including soil moisture potential, carbon capture potential, biodiversity gains, and what the best methodologies are, allowing us to quickly and confidently identify high-quality projects, which we then package into investment products that show investors the full financial, natural, and social returns. Once a project receives investment, our NGO and project developer partners work closely with local communities to implement the project, which are audited by third parties and monitored taking data from experts on the ground, sensors, and satellites, giving investors and all stakeholders transparency and confidence. It's by cracking the how that we believe we can unlock investment into nature at scale.